Morning, students. Welcome back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, in last lecture, we have studied adjacent angles, interior and exterior. Today, we are also, extended that topic only. We are going to study chapter 4 only. So, please read that definition of adjacent angles. So, when I will ask the question, so you can answer. Please revise that topic. I will give you 5 minutes till I share the screen. Okay. So just revise the topic. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have in last lecture, we have studied adjacent angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So anyone can tell me definition of adjacent angles? What was adjacent angle? What was common in adjacent angle and what was different? Do you remember?
Adjacent angle, the angles which are the neighboring ones,
Yes, neighboring ones which have common arm and common vertex,
common arm, common vertex.
but separate interiors that are adjacent angles. So just tell me quickly which are the pair of adjacent angle. There is only one pair of adjacent angle here. Just tell me quickly which is the one pair.
ADB, BDC.
Yes, ADB and BDC. So you are clear with this topic, adjacent angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll move on to next topic in this chapter only, which is complementary angles. Okay, so what do you mean by complementary or just complementary term, not whole term, only complementary? What do you mean by complementary?
When we appreciate someone or praise someone, so we say she complimented me. Like,
That's one definition, and the other one is complementary means it's
Complement
adds
extra.
value to others. Okay, it adds value to another item. In case of if we consider in case of goods, complementary means it's add value to another goods. So if you consider your mobile, we all use mobiles. What mobile is incomplete without a SIM card, right? We can't operate mobile if there is a no SIM card, right? We can't call anyone, right? There is a need of SIM card in there. Or also you can consider the different examples like PlayStation. You all play games. I assume you all play games, right? PlayStation or you can go to movies, right? When you go to movie, you need popcorn, right? What is that? So popcorn is what complementary to the movies. You need popcorn. You want something to eat while watching the movie, right? So movie and popcorn goes with each other, right? Okay. In case of price also, when there is a demand, when there is a more demand of something, when there is a more demand of onions or more demands of any other goods, the price of that goods goes upward, right? In car also, if there is a no petrol or diesel, the car won't start. So what complementary means? Complementary means that it add value to another. Okay, it they cannot be used without each other, right? We cannot use SIM card and mobile separately, right? We need SIM card for the mobile, right? So that is what um, that's called a complementary. Okay, so these in complementary, both goods or both things have a strong relation with each other. Okay, similar case of complementary angle. In this case, complementary angle means when sum of measure of two angles is 90 degrees, then they are complementary angles. Okay, when there are two angles are given, and if one measure is 40 and one measure is 50, then sum is 90 degree, right? So this angle are called as complementary angle. So best example of complementary angle is right angle, right? What is the measure of right angle?
90 degree.
90 degree, right? 90 degree. So if we draw any line from this right angle, any from the same vertex, it is the sum of the measure of these two angles, the angle formed by these lines, which are here. This one angle is there, this second angle is there. They are formed by the right angles, right? So it's their sum will be 90 degree only, because right angles total sum is 90 degrees. So best example of complementary angles is 90 degree, sorry, right angle triangle, which is 90 degrees. Okay, so we will see one example how to find the if angle is complementary or not. So now consider these two angles, angle XOY and angle MON. Okay. Now tell me what is the measure of angle XOY? ADB, why is ADB? I don't know. Okay, XOY is there. Wait a second. Okay. So
40 degree.
it's 40 degree. And what will be the measure of this MON?
50.
50 degree, right? So when we want to identify if they are complementary or not, we just add the measures of the angle. So we will add this, that's XOY. By mistakenly wrote ADB. So we will add just a measure of angle XOY and MON. So their measures is 40 plus 50, which is 90 degrees. So yes, so we can say it is complementary angle. If assume the measure of this one angle, this XOY is 30 degrees. So and this is 50 degrees. So can we call it as complementary? If it's 30 or 50, can we call it as complementary?
30 plus 50 becomes 80. No, they are not complementary.
So they are not complementary, right? Now this is all about the thing when you have to find if they are complementary or not. So now if you have given the two angles and you have already and we have already set them as a complementary angle, we have already set this JKL and GHI as complementary angle, means we have already know that measure of sum of these both angles is 90 degree, but we don't know the measure of this GHI. We know JKL is 34 degree, right? But we don't know GHI. We have just assumed that measure of the GHI is X. So we have to find the measure of this GHI, and we have given that these both angles are complementary, means sum of measure of these angles is 90 degree. So what are we going to do? So first we will gonna write measure of angle JKL is, what is given? Measure of angle JKL is 34 degree.
34 degree.
34 degrees.
And measure of angle GHI, we have assumed it as X degree. Now we have to find this X, and we have given that this both angles are 90 degree. So what is condition of complementary angle? The measure of addition of this measure of the angles is 90 degrees. So what are we going to do? We are going to add this JKL and GHI. So we got 34 degree plus X degree. But we know these angles are complementary, means their measure of addition of measure of angle will be 90 degree, right? We all know that complementary angles have a measure 90 degree. So our equation will become like this: 90 degree is equal to 34 degree plus X degree. We have to find the X. So what are you going to do if you want to find X? So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract 34 from 90, right? So
Yes, sir.
this 90 degree minus 34 degree, which X degree, okay? So What will be the subtraction of 90 minus 34?
56.
Yes, 56 degrees. So measure of this angle GHI is 56 degrees. So what we in your exercise there are similar type of question where you have given the measure of one angle and they are complementary, and you have to find the measure of its complementary angle. So you are basically what you are going to do, you are going to subtract the given angle from 90 degree to get its complementary angle. Okay, have you understood this complementary angle and how to find the unknown or how to find its complementary angle if one angle is given?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the question. Measure of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angles. You have to find the complementary angles. Similar to previous sum which I have solved, you have to just subtract the given angle from the 90 degree. Okay. So the first one is 45 degrees. So what will be its complementary angle? You have to subtract from 90 only. It's easy. What will be its complement?
45.
45. 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. Next one is 20 degree. So what is complementary angle of 20 degree?
70.
Right, 70. The third one is 90 degree. So what will be the complementary angle of 90 degree?
Ma'am, it will be 0 for
Yeah.
90 itself.
Yes, 90 minus 90, 0. It's 90 does not have any complementary angle because 90 is itself a complementary angle, right? So is 0 degree. So next one is x degree. If there is a sum x, so what will be its complement?
90 degrees.
No, it's 90 minus x degree. We subtract from 90, right? We want to find complement of that angle. So what we do, we subtract that angle from 90. So the complement of x degree will be 90 degree minus x degree. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is all about complementary angles where the sum of measure of complementary angle is how much?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Okay, so these today you have learned the two main types of angle, pairs of angle, which is adjacent angles and complementary angles, right? Adjacent means they have a common vertex, common arm, but different interiors. Complementary angles means some of their measures of angles is 90 degree. Okay, have you understood both of that topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next lecture we will study more about the pair of angle. So please write down this homework. It's similar to the previous evaluation questions. You have to find the complementary angle of this 40 degree, 60 degree and 55 degree. You just have to subtract these angles from 90 degree. Okay. Okay, have you understood this? Complementary, adjacent. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am. No doubt.
Okay, so we will.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, hey, you are highly excited, Shivanand. You understood, I think you understood the whole topic. Very good. So we will end the lecture here.
Yes, ma'am.
So bye, students.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.